In progress.
Okay. Good evening once again. I'm Ted Castillo, and I'll be presenting to you the very good opportunity of Fulgent International. Okay, of course, it's a marketing arm of Fulgent Wellness Corporation. Okay, so what is Fulgent International? Okay, yan. Fulgent International adapts, okay, an inclusive business concept. So actually po, it's a platform, no? It's a platform that is open for collaboration, mga iba't ibang companies na meron pong mga iba't ibang products, no? Na kung saan sinasama nila sa ating system bilang FI, Fulgent International Affiliate Companies and Businesses. Okay, dito po sa konsepto na 'to, itong iba't ibang company, may kanya-kanya po silang product na pinag-iisa po sa ating system. So one system, a program po 'yan, isa po lang network structure, meaning yung pong mga partners natin who are using the products, promoting it, nandiyan po isang structure lang and one payout system for the incentives and rewards given by the company. Okay, so clear po yun. Ano po? Now, we have the reasons for sharing it or choosing Fulgent International. Napakahalaga po na ang opportunity na papasukin natin ay merong malaking o malaki or malawak na sources na panggagalingan ng income natin. Ang Fulgent International, yun po ang ibinibigay. Marami po siyang maaring pagkakitaan ng rewards and incentives para po sa ating mga members. Okay? Sa system din po na ito ng Fulgent International, meron po tayong ecosystem. Okay, kung saan ito pong environment na ito ay nagkakatulong, no, yung mga entrepreneurs, itong mga members, user, partners po natin, and even the establishments and the local economy. No? So maganda po yung system kung saan nagkakatulungan lahat. Okay? At ito pong system na ito ay duplicable kahit saang bansa mo dalhin. Ano? Kaya we can go international. Now, pangalawa pong kino-consider natin, ano po ba ang mga products? Napakahalaga po yan because we as partners are also the consumers. Di po ba? Sino ba naman ang, kaya nga uso yung patronize your own, di ba? Tayo mismo. So, we have science-based, world-class, and high-quality products. Talaga pong may mga clinical study, merong mga testimonies, po, yun po yung mga products po natin. Okay? So, at magaganda po yan, hindi lamang po products, there can be services as well kung saan yung ating mga members can have additional discounts, there will be promos and additional incentives and businesses. Maaari kayong mag-join, maybe sa una ay bilang merchant supplier or partner or sabihin natin consumer, pero makikita nyo that while doing the business, we have a very good compensation plan na pwede rin pala na maging long-term business. Ayan. So haba pong naka-join tayo sa ating ecosystem ng Fulgent International, makikita po natin yung magagandang benefits, no po? And it is very convenient for us to use this. First of all, it's on an e-commerce platform. As soon as you become a partner, no po, you will have your own replicated website kung saan pwede mo siyang i-share sa social media, sa Facebook, sa Messenger chat, sa mga group chat, ano po, sa TikTok. Okay, alam ko yung nagmo-monetize na diyan, madadagdagan ng content mo, no? Also sa YouTube, no, yung mga vloggers natin. You can use our content, 'di ba? Ipapadala mo lang yung replicated website dun sa mga social media na channels na ito at kapagka merong nakakita, 'no, ng iyong products, meron dong add to cart. Kapagka po sila ay bumili, it is the company who will deliver, hindi po tayo. Okay? So once the company delivers, the company also collects for you because they can pay either by COD or credit card. 'Di ba napaka-convenient 'to po? Then kapag na-collect na po 'yan, then siyempre may rewards ka, may incentive, 'di ba, o may commission. Pasok po 'yan sa iyong back office. And every week, kung ano yung naipon na commission mo, every Monday, so that's today, mamaya, before 12 midnight, pwede ka nang mag-withdraw. And the amount na withdraw mo every Monday will go to your GCash or bank account kung ano ang pinili mo. 'Di ba very convenient? And that's for every Thursday naman. Okay? Ginawa po nilang Thursday because pagka naging holiday ang Friday, wala ng chance, 'di ba? No? So pag Thursday 'yan, meron pang time para sa
Okay.
Friday na makapag-withdraw. Okay? So ayan po, napakaganda. And it is a global business. Sabi ko nga, one system, one structure, and one payout. Okay? So napakaganda pong business or additional side hustle. No? Okay. Now, there are three levels dito po sa ating Fulgent International Ecosystem. Tatlong business affiliation po. Level 1, para po sa mga companies kung saan yung products nila ay part na ng entry packages as well as repeat purchases items for unilevel. Ibig sabihin yung products po nila talagang fully carried in our FI logistics. No po? Now, that's level 1. Level 2, ito po yung mga partners natin kung saan yung products and services nila with PV for Unilevel only. Pasok pa rin po sila sa Fulgent International Logistics or sa program po natin, ano? Okay. So, then we also have level 3. Level 3 is very interesting. Okay? Kasi kayo po mismo pwede niyong i-promote sa inyong local area, no? Okay. So these are for affiliate businesses kung saan products and services can have PV using generic code. At yan po ay papasok sa unilevel natin. Hindi po necessarily na part sila ng FI logistics or program. So paano po ito nagwo-work? Let's say, meron po kayong alam na grocery sa inyong lugar, ano?
Iyak kasi ako.
Okay.
Yes,
Paki-mute lang po yung ating mga ah, okay. Please mute po yung inyong microphones. To po. Okay, so sandali lang po.
Ikaw na mag-mute. Mute mo na lang.
Okay.
Wait lang po
I'm sorry lang po, no? I have to. Para lang dire-diretso tayo. The problem is, ayan. Okay na po. I have to mute you all para dire-diretso lang.
Okay.
Okay. Ayan. Ito po. Yan. So, balik tayo sa level 3. So, sa inyong area, halimbawa meron kayong kilala na may malaking grocery or restaurant na po na nakita nyo maraming namimili or marami tayong kakilala, no? Or kakilala nyo mismo yung may-ari, no po? Or even salon or parlors, no? Doon sa area nyo. They can become Fulgent partners. Okay? And, or pagka po sila ay Fulgent partners, they can purchase generic code. Para saan po itong generic code? Now, in that area, let's say, nandun ka, you have partners there. May mga Fulgent members, no po? Maaring marami yung partners mo directly under you. Maari rin namang merong other lines na nandoon. But ito pong mga Fulgent partners can add additional income. Paano yan? Kapag bibili sila doon sa grocery or spa or parlor or restaurant na nagbibigay ng generic code, kada purchase nila, let's say for 300 pesos worth, bumili ka ng mantika, ng what is this? Panlaba, rice, yung mga staple needs natin, ano po? Naka 300 ka. The company or the grocery owner can give you generic code or 5 PV for every 300. O di po ba? So ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Yung PV will then go with the unilevel system. So kung kayo po ay maraming members sa isang area, puwede niyo po silang encourage na mamili dun sa grocery na nagbibigay ng Fulgent generic code. Why? Lahat po ng bibili nila kahit hindi Fulgent products, pero dun sila bumili sa grocery, then meron po kayong income. O, 'di ba? Kaya exciting po 'yan. Ano naman po ang advantage nung grocery owners o nung spa owner or restaurant owner? Since member din po siya ng Fulgent International at nakakapagbigay siya ng generic code, kahit hindi niya member na Fulgent distributor sa area, kapag mamimili sila, ang pipiliin nila yung iyong store or business establishment dahil may additional kita pa sila sa ating unilevel sa Fulgent. O di ba exciting? Kaya po nagkakatulungan yung local economy. Okay? Now kung kayo ngayon yung leader sa area, then take advantage by developing that area. Mag-conduct na po kayo ng mga presentation. Actually, what you can do is to present to the business owner establishments no na sila po ay makita nila yung opportunity na dumami yung kanilang ah, consumers, no? Dahil nakakapagbigay sila ng generic code and to earn additional by becoming a partner and also developing their team in the area. Okay? So yun po yung potential ng level 3. 'Di ba napakaganda po 'yan, ano? Yan. So yan yung 3 levels of Fulgent International Ecosystem. Okay, so ito po yung example natin ng one system, one structure, one payout. We have level 1 and level 2 affiliates, no? Siyempre, andyan ang Fulgent Wellness Corporation, okay? Na siyempre naman, dyan po tayo nagsimula. And then we have Plantech, we have Pure Bloom, CS, 100 Sunrise, IntelliHealth, and Wellness. Sa level 2, nandyan ang Easy Shop, Circle 101, Floor Queen, Asia Prime, meron pang eConnect. And for level 3 affiliates, alam ko parami pa po ito. We have 100 Sunrise, Al Rocaba Inc., Circle 101, creativity and sensory. That's training, I think, no? So more and more partners are coming in. Now, let's take a look at the products. Ito na po yung pag-uusapan natin, ano, for entry packages. So, of course, we have our Fulgent Wellness products, and our flagship product for this is our Fulgent Placenta. It's a double placenta product kung saan coming from Switzerland, adya po yung ating deer placenta para major ingredient na po ng ating Fulgent placenta. And then we have Swiss apple stem cell plus additional 10 more ingredients, no, that makes our product unique. Okay, itong Fulgent placenta po natin. And we have M3 factor to enhance our immune system, to give us extra vitality and longevity performance as well. No po, ayan. So napakagaling po nito. Even yung mga sumasakit-sakit sa inyong mga katawan, sa mga joints, sa balakang, sa mga balikat, ang ganda po ng F3 factor. It gives you that extra energy to keep you going from dawn to midnight kung kailangan, ano po? Kasi alam niyo naman ang ating trabaho, walang oras yan, ano po? So actually, Fulgent Placenta and M3 Factor is what we call the uh, duo, no po? Napakaganda po ng partnership na yan. You take it every day and talaga naman pong maganda ang effect sa ating katawan. Then we have Fulgent H-Life glutathione. This is a very popular product, glutathione. And karamihan nga, ang nasa isip lang, when you take gluta, gaganda yung balat mo, puputi ka. But actually, ang pinakamaganda pong benefit nito is for liver health and detoxification. So kapag ka po maganda yung liver natin at detoxified yung blood and other organs, definitely maganda yung flow ng oxygen sa buong katawan at yung nutrients, kaya po gumaganda pati yung balat. Okay? And this Fulgent H-Life glutathione has 3 patented ingredients. Kaya wala pong kapareho ito sa nag-ibang glutathione sa market. Okay, we have our imothione, which is our patented S-acetylglutathione. We have ashwagandha by KSM 66, okay, to control stress, okay. They offer the best ashwagandha at may clinical study po yan. And then we have astaxanthin by Astaking, very high in antioxidant, okay, from red algae po yan. Yang pong tatlong yan ay patented with clinical study. Kaya po walang kapareho ang ating Fulgent H-Life glutathione. Now we have our beverages as well. We have our full green barley grass drink mix na hindi lasang damo. Okay? Lasa yung cucumber and lemon. Okay? Kaya very, very refreshing po yan. And we have our Ella Life Milk. Ang Ella Life Milk natin, ang gatas na hindi lasang gatas, kundi lasang banana. Okay? Di ba? So ito pong dalawang to, pwede nyo lang ipainom sa inyong mga chikiting. No po? 9 years old, 7 years old pataas. Pwede na po. At ito pong dalawang beverage na to ay designed for beauty, for energy and vitality, and for longevity. Marami po siyang magagandang ingredients like stem cell, glutathione, magnesium, mangostino po, at saka NMN. Okay, which triggers DNA repair. Ayan, yun po yung importante doon. Kasi kapag ka kayo ay nare-repair ang DNA po natin, hindi na kailangang manahin ng mga anak nyo yung mga sinasabi nilang nasa lahi ng mga sakit. Hindi po kailangan yan. Hika, high blood, diabetes, hindi po maaayos po kasi nandyan nga po yung NMN for DNA repair. Okay? And then we have this worldwide na in-demand na beverage. Ano po yun? Coffee. And our Fulgent Premium Gold Coffee has 15 ingredients. Ito po, full of nutrients. Hindi lang po siya pampagising. Actually, it can also help you slim down. Why? Kasi naayos niya po yung metabolism natin. At the same time, it's full of nutrients. Kaya if you want to lose weight, take it before meals. Bakit before meals? Kasi pag nag-take ka na ng coffee, it signals to your brain na may nutrients ka na. Hindi ka na kailangang kumain pa or satisfy yung craving mo. Okay? So, ayan po ang Fulgent Premium Gold Coffee natin. And for our skin care, we have our Full Glow 21-in-1 soap. Saan ka naman nakakita na 21 ingredients, no? Talaga naman. So, ito pong soap natin, it has stem cell from sheep placenta, Swiss apple stem cell. Okay, meron din glutathione at meron po yung gold. Can you imagine? Meron po siyang gold because gold has been shown to be very good for the healing process. Merong goat milk to make your skin soft and supple. Kaya naman po, at marami pa siyang herbs, no po? And extracts from fruits, flowers, and veggies. No po? So itong ating Fruit Glow 21-in-1 soap hydrates, moisturizes, and cleanses our skin. Nakaka-whiten din po yan. Very good po siya sa mga problematic skin like eczema, katulad din po ng rashes, yung mga mosquito bites yan, acne, no po, psoriasis, ayan, ang dami pong testimony ng ating Full Glow 21-in-1 soap. Okay? So yan po ang Fulgent Wellness products natin. And of course, we have so many more affiliate products. We have IntelliSea, which is very good, no? Talaga naman po, pag napanood niyo po yung demo niyan, you will be amazed because it's help alkalinity of our body, no po? Yun po ang maganda at sa IntelliSea. And of course, it boosts our immune system. We have expander, no po, na nakakatulong para po sa ating mga arteries, no, sa ating circulation ng blood, no, sa ating mga blood vessels para lalo po siyang maging soft, maging flexible, and matanggal po yung mga bara-bara. Kasi alam naman po natin habang nagkakaedad tayo, no, medyo kumikitid na po yan at medyo tumitigas na yung mga ugat. No? Kaya kailangan na po natin ang expander. We have Gloxy Hyper 7 drink to help our kids grow taller. Ayan. Then we have Mega 5. Mega 5, very rich super fruits to, superfood po ito. And then we have Insulif, no? Para naman po sa mga medyo tumataas yung blood sugar. We have Bonabon, which is very good for the joints, no po? At saka sa ating pong bones, no? We have CS, perfume. Yan, syempre naman, hindi lang healthy ka, mabango ka pa. Yan. And Diabetic, no? Yung Diabetic po natin is a gadget na nakakatulong. It gives us the heat therapy para po matulungan yung body natin, ano, na maging healthier. Okay, the organs especially. Now, additional affiliate products, we have Asia Fit, slimming beverages po yan. We have mixed berry, we have our lemon cucumber juice from Asia Fit as well. We have coffee as well. Nandiyan din po. We have Milagro Vino, yung wine natin. Yung fruit wine na very good for the health. Ayan. Marami po eh. Meron have solar products. Meron po yung mga, ayan, yung nakikita nyo po na ito ay parang CCTV, no, for security. And then we have Floor Queen. Oh, para naman sa bahay natin. Yan. And syempre, pagka ngayon maganda na yung bulsa natin at kapag gusto nating ma-relax naman, we can travel. We have a Europe getaway package as well from Sunrise. Hindi lang po sa Europe, it can be customized kung saan nyo gusto mag-travel. Okay? Now, with all of this with all of these products, napakarami pong sources. Kaya naman po, nagbigay din ang company ng magandang rewards incentives through our pay plan. Okay, so pag-usapan po natin. We have business packages. Okay, since this is a business platform, at ang gusto nating maintindihan ay kung paano tayo kikita, you have to become a part of the business. All you have to do is to purchase a business package. Now, marami po tayong business packages. But for the sake of madaling explanation, dito po sa atin tonight, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay premium packages. We have lower packages, we have higher packages, pero ito pong packages na premium, yan po yung hindi lang win-win kasi discounted na yung products mo within the package, marami ka na ring package, and at the same time, marami ka ng products doon sa package, and at the same time, napakaganda po ng promotional opportunities. Okay? So let's take a look at our premium business packages. For Fulgent Wellness, we have premium package A and package B. Pareho pong 16,980. Okay? Premium pack A is one Fulgent placenta bottle, one M3 factor, one Fulgent coffee, one Ella Life milk, one barley, full green barley, and 4 full glow soap. Okay? Package B has 2 bottles of Fulgent H Life. Yan po yung difference, no? Sa package A, isang bote ng placenta. Sa package B, 2 bote ng H Life. Plus 1 M3 factor, 1 Fulgent coffee, 1 Ella Life milk, 1 full green barley, and 4 full glow soap. Okay? Clear po? So sa mga 40 years old and above, we recommend package A kasi andyan na po yung Fulgent placenta and M3 factor. Maganda. Para naman sa younger than 40, you can have the Fulgent H Life, the Premium Pack B, and the M3 factor na nandyan. Okay? So, yan po yun. Now, we also have our package from Plantech. 16,980 rin po yan. It has 10 Mega 5 boxes and 5 boxes of Insulif. Okay? Then with DNC premium package, 16,980, we have 6 bottles of Melagrovino. Kayo na po ang pumili kung ano yung gusto nyong flavor, no po? Ayan. And then for the premium pack naman ng CS, okay, 12 bottles of perfume and 15 bars of full glow soap. O, di ba? Talaga namang pang vanity. Maganda ka na, mabango ka pa. Yan po yung package na yan ng CS. Okay, and then we have the Unipack. Yung CS po natin is 17,480. The Unipack Premium Pack naman, combination na po ito. Okay? 16,980, you have 1 bottle of Fulgent placenta, 1 bottle of N3 factor, 1 box of Mega 5, no po? 1 full green barley juice, 1 box of Insulif, 1 full glow soap, and 1 bottle of CS perfume. Okay? So, ayan po yung ating premium business packages. Once you purchase this, then kasama rin po kayo sa ating mga incentives, no? And part na kayo ng system. We also have special premium business packages na mas mataas. Pero premium pa rin po ito. From Pure Bloom, we have the Diabitech, ano po yung para po sa body, no? Nakakatulong po yan, maganda yan. So, it is 99,000. Alam niyo po ba na yung gadgets na yan ay 120,000, yung mga health machine. At naka-discount po, di ba? As a package, 99,000 na lang. And may kasama pa po yan na dalawang premium code na free slot and one regular premium code. So may tatlo ka ng account dyan sa premium pack na yan. Plus, meron ka pang free worth of products, 63,670. Yan po ay 5 bote ng Fulgent Placenta, 5 bote ng M3 Factor at SRP. Okay? So, hindi ka talo dito. 3 account ka na, may products ka pa. Okay? At bukod doon sa machine, ha? Now, from Sunrise, we have the premium package of Europe Getaway. Now, pag nag-search po kayo ng Europe Getaway, usually nasa 200,000 po yan. Okay? Now, ito pong atin through Sunrise, dati nakapresyo ng 175,542. Ngayon po, ang premium package niya is 168,968. Po, kaya naman po, napakagandang package na po ito. At bukod dyan, meron na po yung isang regular premium code, 2 FS premium code. So 3 account na po at meron ka na ngayong 63,670 worth of products ng Fulgent at SRP. Yan po ay 5 bote ng placenta at 5 bote ng M3 Factor. Now, we usually have a down payment. Kasi po, ito po, ang visa ay kayo po ang maglalakad. Of course, you will be assisted by people from Sunrise, no po? Kaya lang, syempre, paano ngayon kung hindi na-approvean ang aking visa? Well, sa atin po kasi when you give a down payment of 56,000, non-refundable po kasi yon, you can convert it to ASEAN trip. Okay? It can be converted to ASEAN trip. Kaya kung na-deny man yung Europe getaway mo, hindi ka pa rin talo kasi magkakaroon ka ng Asian trip plus yung iyong products. Okay? So, wala kang kalugi-lugi. Panalong panalo. Siyempre, pagka naman na-approvean yung iyong visa, at tutuloy ka na sa iyong Europe getaway, you just pay the balance. Okay? So, ayun po, Ang bayad po sa visa processing, ang cost po niyan ay sa traveler, doon sa bibili. Now, once you have the premium package, you are now eligible for the Rank Advance program. Ito na po, So, itong rank advance requirements po natin, cumulative, no time frame. Okay? Ayan, hindi tayo naghahabol buwan-buwan. Hindi po tayo back to zero. Kaya napakaganda po ng opportunity to be promoted. Walang stress, okay? You just purchase the premium package and everything that you buy after being a member through premium, then counted na po yan sa inyong cumulative requirements. Ano po ba yung cumulative requirements? Number 1, you must have a required number of direct referrals or direct recruits. No po? You must have accumulated personal sales volume and accumulation of matching sales volume. Okay. So pag-usapan po muna natin ang premium. Bumili ka ng premium package, then you can earn a potential of sales volume commission up to 20,000 per day. Okay? Isa po yan sa rewards natin. So, 20,000 per day. Potential po yan, ha? Hindi po guaranteed na kikitain mo. Pero it is the potential maximum income for the sales volume commission. You also have the group sales bonus, which is the unilevel system, up to level 12 with compression. Okay, sorry. So you will be entitled to 7% of the PV or sales volume of the people directly under your team from level 1 to 7. Yung pong binibili nila na PV, meron kang 7%. Okay? Now, dahil premium ka na, pwede ka nang ma-rank up as a master. These are the cumulative requirements. Ano po yon? First, sa direct referrals. Recruits, no po? 5 direct recruits. Any package. Okay? Pag may 5 ka, check ang iyong cumulative direct. Okay? Personal sales volume, 100,000 accumulated. No time frame. Kasama po yan ang benta sa replicated website mo. So kung magaling ka ng magbenta ng face-to-face, pinupromote mo pa yung website mo sa social media mo, may mga orders doon, nakikita mo na lang ang commission, okay? Pag umabot po yan ng 100,000, yung second requirement, check. Okay, the third requirement is the match sales volume. Ito naman yung sa pairing. Pag nakaipon ka ng 234,000 match sales volume or an equivalent of 117 pairs of premium packages. Ayan. Yan po yung required. Pag yung tatlong yan, check, 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 you will be promoted to master rank where the company will give you an incentive of a gadget worth 20,000 plus 1 icon pin. O,
Wow.
di ba? Ayan. Siyempre, taas din ang potential income mo per day. Ang sales volume commission can reach a potential of 21,000 pesos per day, and your group sales bonus will be 8% from level 1 to 12. Okay? Kung nagmamadali ka naman, gusto ko mag-master rank agad, pwede ka naman bumili ng advanced business pack. Yan po yung higher pack sa premium pack, no po? Pero pag yan ang binili mo, syempre, master rank ka, taas ang iyong potential income per day, plus GSB mo, wala ka nga lang special incentive na gadget worth 20,000 and icon pin. Hindi po applicable. Okay? Now, paano naman yung leader rank? Kasi yun ang susunod sa master. Di ba may 5 ka na requirement sa direct recruit? Dagdagan mo na lang yan ng 3. Kaya pag naging 8 na sila, check na yung first requirement mo. 8 direct recruits. Okay? Sa personal sales volume naman, di ba may 100,000 ka na? Dagdagan mo na lang ng 200,000. Remember, accumulated po yan ha, kaya hindi ka nagbaback to zero. So check na yung second requirement. And the third requirement na match sales volume ay dapat yung 234,000 mo ay umabot ng 684,000 match. So, dagdagan mo pa ng 450,000 match, qualified ka na. Or, yung dati mong 117 pairs ng premium, umabot ng 342 pairs, qualified, check ka na sa third requirement. So once you fulfill these 3 requirements, then you will be promoted to leader, you are given a special incentive of Asian tour worth 35,000 plus one icon shirt. Wow!
Wow.
Diba? Yan. Kapag nagmamadali ka, pwede pa rin naman. Leader Business Package ang bilhin mo. Now, once you purchase the Leader Business Pack, automatic, stockist ka na. O, diba? Exciting yan. Okay, so, pero, wala kang Asian Tour incentive. For the special bonuses, qualified ka na. Meaning, monthly group sales bonus. Sa group sales bonus mo, you will receive additional 10%. Okay? At ang sales volume commission mo can reach or have the potential of 22,000 per day. Okay, good, no? Now, the highest rank is the director rank, kung saan yung kailangan mo, ikaw ay meron ng 12 direct. Di ba may 8 ka sa master rank, no? Now, naging leader ka. I'm sorry, may 8 ka sa leader rank. Yung leader rank na 8, dagdagan mo ngayon ng 12 direct. So, meron kang 12 direct recruits. Second requirement, yung personal sales volume. Dapat maging 600,000 siya. Yung dating 300,000 requirement for leader, dagdagan mo ng 300,000. Second requirement, check. The matching sales volume should be 1,314,000 match or 657 pairs of premium. Pag yan pong tatlong yan, na-reach ninyo, no time frame, accumulated naman yan, check yung tatlo, you will be promoted to director rank. Ang special incentive, trip to Japan or South Korea, or a choice of car plan worth 75,000 plus bigyan ng jacket. Yan. Okay, yung icon jacket po natin. Now, paano ngayon? Nagmamadali ka talaga. Pera ka naman eh. Okay. Bumili po kayo ng business center package, okay? At pag business center package kayo, talagang pwede ka nang mag-issue ng generic code niyan, ano? So, this time, pag binili mo yung package na yan, director rank ka na. Wala nga lang yung special incentive, ha? When you purchase the required packages for the ranking, wala po yung special incentive. But of course, qualified ka na as director sa special bonuses. Ano po yun? Nofi pair, qualified monthly group sales bonus, okay? Monthly sales volume bonus, 10% sa pairing, additional, plus performance bonus. Ayan po ang mga special bonuses. Sa atin namang sales volume commission, you can reach a potential of 24,000 sales volume commission per day. At sa ating group sales bonus, from level 1 to 12, you are now entitled to 10% of the PV no pong binibili ng members ninyo under your own directory. Okay? So yan po yung Rank Advance program. Now we have, of course, our network building incentives para mas maunawaan po natin. Let's say, nakapag-sponsor ka ng isang member na ang binili niya ay premium. O di ba? Kasi kaya tayo nakapokus sa premium para clear na po. Pag bumili yan ng premium business package, magkano yun? 16,980. Okay? Doon po sa 16,980, you will receive 1,500 cash plus 1,500 product points. Wow! total worth of 3,000. Kaya ang ganda po niyan sa isang member lang na nag-purchase ng premium business package. Now, sabihin po natin, naging dalawa. Dalawa yung nakuha mong premium, no? Packages. Then, for that matching, ito yung sales volume commission, SVC. Pag nag-match po yung premium sa left at premium sa right, you will earn 2,000 pesos cash. Wow! Di ba may 3,000 ka worth 1,515, no? 1,500 products, 1,500 cash sa isa. So 3,000 plus 3,000, may 6,000 worth ka na. I-add po pa ang 2,000, you will receive 8,000 worth. 5,000 pesos cash, 3,000 product points. Wow! 'Di ba? Nakadalawa ka. Paano ngayon kung naging 4, oh, 'di ba? 'Di ba sa 4 po kasi, we have what we call BB or builders bonus. 4 dapat, okay? So 4 ang naging premium account mo, cumulative po 'yan, no time frame, no back to zero. You will get additional 6,000 cash plus 6,000 product points. Exciting, di po ba? Ganyan po kaganda itong ating network building incentives. Kaya keep on sharing yung pong ating Fulgent International platform. Okay? Now, to qualify naman po for the sales volume commission, kailangan meron kang at least one directly sponsored, no po? Kaya pagka ikaw pumasok, kailangan meron ka na agad isa under you. Now, we are entitled up to 3 accounts. So, pwede niyong i-register agad yung isang account nyo para meron ka kagad assurance na pag merong pumasok na spillover, o ayan, kasi sa taas naglalagay sila, wala na silang paglagyan, lalagyan sa ilalim mo, may pairing ka. Okay? Yun po ang ibig sabihin nun. And then, kailangan din active yung account mo. Now, kung hindi ka pa master rank, then, or leader rank, every fifth pair, no po, meron niyang sales volume. Okay. So director, okay. Once you are not yet a director, every fifth pair, yan po ay product points. Okay? Ayan. Then, example po, ito yung 4 dapat or magkano ang pwede mong kitain kung nakakuha ka ng 4 na premium. So tingnan natin. Let's say pati na director ka na. Okay? So this is you. You got 4. 'Di po ba? Ito yung 4. Directly sa'yo yan. Okay? Ini-spill over mo lang. Okay? For each one of them, you get 1,500 cash. Wow! 6,000 cash. You get 1,500 products times 4, 'di ba? So 6,000 products worth din. Dahil nag-pairing yan, 2,000 times 2, may additional 4,000 ka. Di naka 10,000 cash ka na. Builder's bonus, yung 4 dapat, nabuo mo na, di ba? You get additional 6,000 cash and 6,000 products worth. Okay. Dahil director ka ngayon, 'di ba? Nag-pairing ka. Ano yung pairing mo nga? 4,000. You get additional 10% sa monthly sales volume bonus. That's 400 cash. So magkano po 'yan? Ang total cash mo 16,400. Ang total products worth mo 12,000. Kaya yung total worth cash and products, you get 28,400. Okay po ba? Okay na okay po yan. Emoji naman kayo diyan, wag niyo akong tutulugan. Ano po, ayan. Pa-emoji naman diyan at pa-react-react naman po. Nagustuhan niyo ba o ayaw niyo ba? Pakisabi rin, 'no, baka meron kayong special request, ayan. So yun lang po yung illustration natin. Then, meron pa po tayong eto po yung sample ng sales volume. Sa pairing, kung hindi man kayo nakaapat, kasi talagang busy kayo, business owner kayo, marami kayong racket, marami kayong business, kaya kayo nasa Fulgent International kasi you love the products, okay? So user ka, pero meron kang sense of sharing, kumuha ka ng dalawa, dalawa lang, 'di po ba? Dahil kumuha ka ng dalawa at premium packages 'yan, tingnan po natin ang potential income. Kung ikaw kumuha ng dalawa at sinabihan mo sila na kumuha rin sila ng dalawa. For example, yung isang premium package na nabenta mo para sa health niya. Pag gumanda pakiramdam niya, sabi mo, Mare or pare, i-share mo yung product natin. Get to. Sabi mo mag-get to rin sila. Yun lang po, no? Turuan mo. Or, pag na-sharean mo naman na business, mare, pagka kumita ka, i-share mo 'to at para kumita ka, mag-share ka kahit dalawa. Naturuan mo na mag-share din. Alam niyo po ba, on your first month with the two people na mai-sponsor nyo with premium package, you can earn a potential of 2,000 pairing, sa sales volume commission. Yun po yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kung ikaw ay director, may additional 10% ka pa, kaya may 200, di ba? So, 2,200. On the second month, kumuha ka ba uli ng dalawa? Hindi po. Silang dalawa na kinuha mo, sabihin mo kumuha ng dalawa. At pag kumuha sila ng dalawa, on your second month, dalawang pares po yan. That two pairs will generate a sales volume commission of 4,000 para sa'yo. Hindi ka ang kumuha. Yung dalawang kinuha mo, nung nakaraang buwan, tinuruan mo kumuha ng dalawa this month. And this month, nakadalawa silang dalawa, kaya may apat, you will earn 4,400. O, diba? Okay. Then, eto na yon ha. Sabi mo, i-follow up mo yung kinuha niyong tig-dalawa. Sabihin niyo, kumuha rin ng dalawa at turuan sila na kumuha ng dalawa. On the third month, yung apat na yon, kapag naturuan kumuha ng tig-dalawa, you will have 8 people on your third level for the third month. Times pair, so that's 4, times 2,000 per pair, that will generate a sales volume commission of 8,000. Kung meron ka pang MSBB, 800, 8,800 po iyan. So you can see the potential, no? Can you imagine kung yung dala-dalawang yun nagduduplicate ng up to 12 months? 1 year. 1 year po ang pinag-uusapan natin. Dalawang direct mo, pinakuha mo ng dalawang direct nila, tinuruan mo ninyo na kumuha rin ng tag-dalawang direct. At nag-duplicate. Ano po ang sekreto rito? Duplicate. Okay? Kapag nag-duplicate yan, you have the potential income sa sales volume commission pa lang na 3,182,000. May additional ka pa kung director ka, di ba? So that's a potential of 3,500,200 1 year. Can you imagine? Isang taon, 3,000,000. Okay? Ayan, para lang po makita nyo yung potential, no? Now, let's talk about the other incentives, product patronage incentives. Okay, we have the retail profit or outright discount. Di ba, bumili ka ng package. 16,980. When you purchase one product lang, for example, Fulgent Placenta, pag hindi ka member, SRP yan. 10,235 SRP na Fulgent Placenta. Once you become a partner, bumili ka ng premium package, no po? Your distributor's price. Ibig sabihin, yan yung net-net. Binili mo yan sa office or sa stockist, you will purchase it at 5,480. Eh di ba nagpo-promote ka ng replicated website? Your replicated website, pwede mo kasing palitan ang pricing. You can use the SRP or the e-com price. Yun po yung pinakamababang presyo na pwede nyong i-offer sa products natin online. That's for the placenta, 6,980. Now, tingnan nyo to. The difference po ng e-com price and distributor's price is 1,500 for the Fulgent placenta. That is what we call retail profit. At yan pong retail profit na 1,500 per placenta bottle, pasok sa back office mo. Maipon po yan kada may bibili sa iyong replicated website at e-com price, you get a retail profit of 1,500. Yan po yung pwede nyong i-withdraw every week. Okay? Ayan, yun po ang difference ng retail profit and outright discount. So with the full green Bardic grass, the distributor's price is 388. The e-com price is 488. So you have a retail profit of 100 per pouch. Ang full glow premium soap po natin, we have the e-com price na 298 and the distributor's price is 218. Kaya naman po, 80 pesos ang retail profit. Okay? So ayan, meron po naman tayong price list kung saan makikita nyo yung different prices natin. Anyway, the sixth incentive po natin is the group sales bonus. Ito po yung uni level. Dito po sa ating group sales bonus, you must have an active account. Ano po yung active account? Kailangan bumibili po kayo ng required PV for the month para active ang account nyo. The PV requirement depends on the rank. Kapag premium rank, 250 PV. Kahit anong product, let's say, isang barley at 4 na sabon. Diba? Tig-50 yan eh. So, 250 PV na po yun. Okay? Para naman sa master rank, 350 PV. Sa leader rank, 400. At sa director rank, 500 PV. Isang Fulgent placenta lang po yan sa director rank. Okay? Ayan, ganyan po kaganda. Now, once every 30 days, nagpo-purchase ka ng required PV, your account is active. And depending on the rank, you can earn a group sales bonus equivalent to 7% up to 10%, depending on your rank of the purchased value, PV, ng lahat ng binibili ng iyong members from level 1 to 12. May compression, ha? So kung merong hindi nabili, sa level 11, level 12 will come up and level 13 will be the level 12. So nagko-compress. Okay? So ayun po. And then, what's the illustration? Our group sales bonus comes from 2 sources. Ito po yung maganda. Lahat ng binibili, pati entry packages. Remember, meron din pong points ang ating entry packages. Okay? And lahat ng binibili na repeat purchases, may PV rin po. Di po ba? So dun po ang pinanggagalingan ng group sales bonus natin. So tingnan po natin. Let's say this month, lahat ng grupo natin, maraming activity, ang daming nakuhang bagong member. On your first generation, let's say master rank ka na ha, meron kang 4 na nagpasok ng mga entry packages at may 500 PV. O, di ba? Bawat isa. So, 4 times 5, that's 2,000. Times 10%, you earn 200. Ayan. So, that's for the packages. Yung 4 na yon, may 16 people, may tiga-4 din sa second generation na nagpapasok din ng 500 PB entry packages. Okay? So, that's 8,000. 10% po niyan ang kikitain nyo, so you will earn 800. So for example, this month, ganyan ang structure nyo. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64 times 4, 256. At bawat isa may 500 PV entries no, from entry packages. Alam mo ba ang potential income mo for this month? 26,077,800.
Wow.
Yan po ay entry packages. Again, we have to be realistic. Hindi naman po laging ganyan ang entry. Paiba-iba. May times na maraming mag-enter or magre-register. May time naman na hindi masyadong marami. Okay? Pero yan ang potential. How about the group sales bonus from repeat purchases? Ito po ang mas maganda. Diba we are required to keep our accounts active? Pag master rank ka, kailangan 250 PV. So let's say you have 4 master rank members on your first level. Every month, nagpo-produce siya ng 250 PV each, right? So 4 times 250, that's 1,000. You will earn 10% of that kung director ka na. So you will receive 100. Okay. So, on your second level, yung 4, may tiga-4. 16 people buying 250 PV to keep their account active. That's 4,000 and you will receive 10%, that's 400 pesos. Okay, so ganun po yan. So let's say, after a year, ganito na ang structure mo. Power of 4 from 1 to 6, power of 2 from 7 to 12. Yan, no? Pero ang daming tao na yan. And bawat isa sa repeat purchase, bumibili ng tig 250 PB. Mas realistic po ito. Kasi every one of us would want to keep our accounts active, right? So, alam nyo ba, ang potential income nyo every month? 13,038,900. Again, 13,038,900. Gusto mong kumita ng 13 million a month? Ito po ang kailangan. Itong nasa second column, the number of people in our team maintaining their accounts active every month. Grabe. Repeat purchase pa lang po yan, ha? Okay. Wala pa yung entry packages. Yan po ay potential. Nakaprogram na, ibibigay ng company, kailangan na lang po natin ng effort for people to come and work with. Okay? Yan po. The second incentive is the monthly group sales bonus. Okay? Ito po yung leader rank ka na. Okay? Ang monthly group sales bonus, yung unilevel, di po ba? May additional 10% ka. Okay? Now, yung performance bonus naman is for director rank. Ano po ito? Quarterly po ito. Lahat po ng benta ng packages, 1%. Okay? Iniipon po yan sa performance bonus pool. Okay? Lahat din po ng repeat purchases, 10% of every PV from repeat purchases pumapasok sa performance bonus pool. Now, kino-compute po yan quarterly, no? For the first quarter, which is March, and second quarter, June, third quarter, September, and the fourth quarter is December. Yan po ay paghahati-hatian ng total active qualifiers. Ibig sabihin, active yung account mo of the first day of the first month of the new quarter. Pag hindi po kayo active dyan, hindi kayo makakasama sa computation ng performance bonus pool. Okay? Equally divided po yan. Okay? So, ayan po ang ating incentives. Okay? We have other packages. So, dadaanan lang po natin. We have the starter pack at 4,680. We have the classic package at 8,980. Okay? Dito po ay para ka ma-rank up, you have to purchase the premium pack. Okay? Ayan po yun. Kaya kung kaya mo rin lang naman na premium package, yun na agad bilhin mo para wag ka nang purchase ulit. Okay? But kung gusto mo nang mag-aksyon, bakit? Kasi meron ka ng kita kahit starter pack pa lang. You have a package sales commission ng starter pack na 4,680, you can earn 400 cash and 400 products worth. Okay, pag nag-pair po ang starter, you get pairing of 500. And for nakaapat ka niyan, meron ka ring builder's bonus, 1,500 cash and 1,500 products. Classic naman po, you will get for every member na papasok under you na classic, 800 cash and 800 worth of products. Pairing ng classic to classic is 1,000. Builder's bonus, pag nakaapat ka, no, cumulative, you will get additional 3,000 cash and 3,000 products. Okay? So, napag-usapan na natin ang premium, no? Sa advanced package, ito naman po yung matataas. For example, binili mo yung advanced package, ano ka na yan? Master rank ka na. O, di ba? That's 169,800. For every advanced package na mabebenta ninyo, you earn 15,000 cash, 15,000 products worth. Sa pairing po niyan, you will earn 16,000. Okay, pairing. And kapag nakaapat ganyan, grabe na po. You will earn additional 40,000 cash and 40,000 products. Ayan. And the highest package po natin is the leader package at 299,800 kung saan automatic stockist member ka na. You can serve your team or other members. No po? Kapag nakakuha ka niyan, your package sales commission is 20,000 cash and 20,000 products worth. Kapag nag-pair po yan, 24,000 ang pairing. At kung nakaapat ka, yung builder's bonus, babe, yan, you get 4. Apat dapat. 60,000 cash and 60,000 products worth. Alam nyo, ito po, kausapin nyo yung nag-invite sa inyo. Himayin nyo po yung potential income. Napakaganda po. Okay? Kailangan lang nakafocus kayo kung ano ang goal ninyo. Ano ba ang package na papracticein nyo na i-promote. Okay? Depende sa goal nyo na kitain. Okay? So ayan, please talk to the person who invited you. You have to build rin po yung rapport nyo sa kanya para you can work as a team. Okay? Now, we have, wala na po itong kaliwa. Yung get extra, wala na po yan. But we still have yung ating car plan incentive, no, from July 5 to October 5. So, last Wednesday, tinaruan na po natin yung mga partners, courtesy of Miss Jane. No, tinuruan po yung mga leaders natin na mag-create ng FB page for your FI business. Ito ay manggagaling sa mga entry packages. So, ipopromote nyo yung packages dito. Pagka ikaw ay nakaipon ng 6.5 million assorted sales in 3 months, no? Under your group, okay? Then you will be qualified for the 200,000 down payment car plan incentive, no po? Then we also have a trip to Vietnam promo. Okay, up to September 5. Palapit na po yan ang palapit, kaya po medyo kung hinahabol nyo yan, drum up po yan. Ano? Nagki-create din po kayo ng FB page para naman sa mga products. Okay? Pag naka-accumulate ka ng repeat sales of at least 395,000 encoded sa
Ano
iyong
sabi, ano sabi ni
personal accounts, no po?
Raymond, hindi ka pinadala ng
Then,
picture.
eto po, ayan. Ito
Ha?
po yung, you will qualify for the trip to
Hindi mo na natanong.
Vietnam. Okay? Ayan. So,
Bakit?
tapos na po yung
Wala ka na naman.
ating presentation. We end the presentation this way na po. The meaning of Fulgent is shining brightly. At sa ating pong platform, the Fulgent International, ay lalo tayong magniningning. Kaya naman po, in Fulgent Wellness, together, we shine brighter.
Ulit naman ang mga sinasabi.
Ayan po. Now, ayan, thank you so much for being with us. Ayan. So, we are now 33, no po? So, kung meron po kayong question, we can entertain some questions. Okay? Okay po ba na ano? Yeah, we encourage also no, yung mga gusto po, yung mga nasa platform na meron kayong uh, items na pwede po nating i-collaborate, no? Just get in touch po with the partner who introduced this to you para ma-contact po ang ating si Brother Joe, no po? At maipakita nyo yung products po ninyo. Okay? Yeah, mukhang tahimik na tahimik kayo. Wala ba tayong questions sa chat group? Yan. Okay. Good evening po. We have Sam
Hello,
Clemente
Ma'am
from
Ted.
Tarlac. Yes po, Brother Joe.
Okay, na-announce na ba yung may car plan promo tayo?
Yes po.
Okay, good. Yung business center na naka-promo sa 550 na may free travel, pati yung Finder na may 25k cash, meron pa siyang free travel din.
Hindi ko po yun na-announce.
Okay. So,
Yes, yan.
meron tayong promo sa business center para masuportahan natin yung centering ng mga bagong leaders na nagbi-build up ng network sa provinces. So, ang business center natin, that's actually 3 million, but alam naman natin na mag-repeat purchase naman yan as their network sa kanilang locality grows. So, we allow sa 550,000, may free travel na, Macau, Hong Kong, and Canton, China, staying in a 5-star hotel, kasama airlines hotel with breakfast and lunch plus tour itineraries. Libre na po doon sa nag-take ng kumuha ng business center package at kung sinong nakahanap nun, may libre din siyang travel on top doon sa 25,000 na finder's fee.
Wow.
Okay, so dalawa ang magta-travel.
Yung apply, tsaka ikaw.
Yung nag-refer at saka yung pong
Bumili.
nag-purchase. Ito po.
Opo.
Yan. So,
At saka yung sa ano natin, yung car plan natin hanggang November 5. So we extended it, in-adjust namin yung cut-off
yes.
para sa mga gustong humabol ay makahabol talaga. So 6.5 million assorted gross sales ng buong grupo. Pero pag pumalya, hindi umabot ng 6.5, kasama na po entry packages diyan na pag hindi umabot ng 6.5, 5 million lang, meron ka pa rin trip to Europe all free.
Wow. Exciting.
Okay?
Opo. Yan. No, kaya yung mga mahilig
Then
mag-travel.
may bago tayong product,
Sige po, Brother Joe.
Opo. May bago tayong product, napakalupit na product, yung it's about yung injectable na pampapayat. At saka meron ding NAD, yung NAD na
Yes.
injectable din. Pero ano siya, easy siya, pwedeng self lang kasi ginagawa naman yon. In fact, ang product na ito ay ma-order online at napakagandang product, talagang very effective. Yung mga nahirapan pumayat ay ito talagang
Cha-cha.
papayat.
Yan.
Mahinang
Exciting,
signal,
brother.
mahinang signal.
Opo, medyo nagchachapi. Pero very
Nasa biyahe ako, mahina
Ah.
signal.
Yun. So, binasabi po ni Brother John, no po, na pampapayat. Ayan. At alam ko, Brother John, nakakatulong din siya sa liver, no? Di ba? Yan. Yun. So, yung may mga fatty liver dyan.
Yes,
Nakakatulong yun. Maganda din.
nakatulong siya sa may fatty liver, nakakatulong siya. Then, ang pinakamaganda, tested talaga, papayat ka. So, this is a science-based na product from the US. Imported siya from the US.
Wow. So, alam ko marami po sa atin ang gustong pumayat kasi maganda na ang balat. Okay? Kailangan lang mag-lose weight. And of course, kailangan maging healthy ang liver. So, ito po kasi ay mabilis ang effect. Ano po? Kaya po pwede po natin i-share ito. And if you want to know more, I believe yung supplier, ready po silang mag-present to us. I don't know, through Zoom, face-to-face, kung ano po ang gusto nilang presentation. Ano po? Pero excited kasi isa po ako sa gusto pang pumayat. Okay? Ayan. At yung injectable NAD, no po, is the end product ng NMN. Ano po, kaya mabilis din yung effect niya. So, padami po ang mga products natin. At marami pa pong opportunity rin ang papasok sa ating Fulgent International. Okay? So, di ba lalo tayong
Tomorrow po,
na-excited?
bukas,
Yes, sir.
hello Ma'am Tet,
Opo, opo.
bukas po, may product knowledge training tayo sa Milagro Vino.
Milagro Vino. Okay. So,
Sa
hintayin
Milagro
po.
Vino na product, may product knowledge training tayo sa Milagro Vino bukas.
Okay. Sila po ang magkukondak. Ano po? So,
Bukas yung Milagro Vino po.
opo, opo. So we'll wait for the
Online,
link.
online.
Online,
Via
Zoom.
Zoom.
Anong oras po?
Same link, same link.
Same link, same time?
7:30.
Okay. So, we'll release pa rin po invitation for that, no? Para lahat malaman. So, talaga pong importante na maunawaan natin ang maraming products na nagiging na-onboard sa ating platform na Fulgent International. Okay? So, thank you so much for joining us. Talaga naman pong marami tayong matututunan, marami po tayong pagkakakitaan dito sa Fulgent International. Thank you so much sa ating pong mga kasama ngayon. Nadagdagan po tayo, Ma'am Mary Itaas, Miss Maine, Miss Joy Salas, no po. Ayan po si Sister Shoni, okay, si Nestor, Napait, no po, si Pastora Grace, then we have Trebs, we have Fernan, Abet Valenzuela, we have Ferdy, Marites Navarro, Sir Armando Cuenco, no po, Renz, Ma'am Fleda, yan, ayan, magkita-kita po tayo no, sa Wednesday. Miss Jane, Nick F, Ma'am Marivic, namimiss ka na namin. Okay. Top Global Marketing, Rex, Mr. Reggie Mendoza. Okay, Miss Melissa Verilla. Thank you so much for joining us. Yung iba po, binati ko kanina dahil sila po yung early birds. Okay? Nauna po sila. Now, thank you so much. Sa Wednesday, meron po tayong face-to-face. If you are in the area at kung gusto nyo pa po na malaman yung ating system, sa BGC office po natin, nandun po kami. And of course, Saturday is our hackathon day. Okay? So tomorrow, Milagro
Okay,
Vino.
Madam,
Yes,
lahat
sir.
pong
Yes, sir.
hello Madam, lahat pong mag-attend ng lahat ng mag-attend ng product knowledge training bukas, Milagro Vino po yung magpe-present, ay maka-avail ng promo price ng mga affiliate products natin.
Wow, very generous talaga. Thank you po, Sir Joe. Ayan.
Ang purpose po nito para masubukan nyo yung mga affiliate products natin. So lahat na mag-attend ng training bukas, pwede kayong pumuntak sa office, pa-avail nyo po yung mga promo prices ng mga products na yun.
Yes, sir. Exciting yan. So yun, mga affiliate products po natin, kontakin nyo lang sa office para ma-avail nyo po yung promo na yan. At dahil yan ay training ng Milagro Vino, cheers to all of us. Di po ba? Ayan. Okay? So, kung wala na po, please, kausapin niyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo para mas maunawaan nyo yung ating platform. Okay? So, we will have another one on Monday, Zoom, para sa BOP. Invite more people, invite your guests para po marinig nila. Okay? Thank you so much. And good night, everybody. Bye-bye po.
Good night, everyone.
Good night po. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
See you all the time.
Okay.
Good night.
Claim yung products niyo po yung mga umattend tomorrow. Ay, yung pala, mga a-attend tomorrow. Okay. Claim niyo po yung inyong incentives. Good night.
Good night po.